Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a automatic serial number in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. At first open your Excel document. Firstly, then you should have serial number and name. Start this automatic serial number in Microsoft Excel. Then we can see in firstly click for the serial number and keyboard press from the equal and if first bracket then any function select and again equal double inverted comma then double inverted comma cross then comma again double inverted comma and row first bracket and 1 is to 1 then again double inverted comma cross and sorry first bracket then keyboard press from control enter then select your all serial number and firstly in this name any name that's okay. Then I show the automatic serial number in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.